folks. A question that pops up on both the IDI Ford forums and the Chevy diesel forums is how to reinstall the top cover correctly so that it won't run away. Okay, so this here is a shutoff. When you turn the key on, it sends power to this and it pulls back. What this hits on in here is this little fuel linkage. You can see it moving. That way is off, that is open. So this is also the governor controlling the fuel delivery. So anyway, if you put this on wrong, there's a little tab down there by the throttle shaft. And if you just bolt this straight down, what happens is it locks it wide open. So no matter what speed your engine gets to, it'll still deliver maximum available fuel until your engine grenades. So to reinstall this correctly, take the screws out of the cap and you put this on. The pump usually sits like this in the truck, with this side to the timing cover and this side toward the rear of the engine. So you put the cover on like back slightly, okay? And there it's sitting on there. Now when you push on that, it should pop back. That means that it's pushing that closed and it's not bound up, holding it wide open. So just make sure it does that. It wants to spring back on its own. Then just line it up and put the bolts in. And that way you know that it's pushing forward on the shutoff and it's shutting the fuel off. Okay, thanks. Bye.